harvester.
Alright, that harvester getting ready to go.
Well, we would have videoed earlier, but the sun was in our eyes, couldn't see nothing anyways. Well, we got white shirt and blue guy. They'll always be standing in the way. Miles an hour. $328. $320. 70. See a little bouncy bounce. 826. Coming out there hot. Got the red light up on the front end. I think it's Harlow, Harlow, I think it's
Start, but not quite the finish I think he wanted. 252.14. 252.
$257.
7.03.
He's scared of it. He's trying to ease into it. There he goes. $332. $332. He just walked right on by everybody. He walked right on by everybody. He just left old Harlow in the dust. But
that guy was like,
well, we're gonna video these with the hope that one of them breaks.
somebody might want to move that skid steer.
Yeah, he was rolling there.
I don't think he... Very good pull there.
293.
293.9.
Oh no.
Just a little malfunctioning there.
It started to do a little jiggle. He stopped.
Maybe it won't have to walk home.
Yeah, it's better than...
Almost there, 322.48.
did. He crashed into a whole lot of stuff before he got to pulling it. The front banged up, the back's banged up. Well, he started off pretty rough, and then he had to do a repull, so we kind of missed the video on it. 15,000 farm. 12 tractors in this class. Doing about 6 miles an hour. Pull the TA back. 299 feet.
0.07 for Ryan the Lawford. Good pull. Standardsville, Virginia, here we go.
Standardsville, Virginia. This will be the last class of the night. Got the Moline out here. He's still walking. He's running out, but he's walking it. 336. He's walking it. 0.4. She dancing over everybody.
275.11.
That's what I said this morning.
Alright, Daddy, step back, let her spend that money, because here she comes. Mary Wise.
it ain't. No, that's not him. His tractor's back there. Ran out of video on the last one.
That's
287. Todd Tanner coming out here.
all right, got the green
He done
light.
painted that one up.
For Walter through it.
His weights don't match his pretty paint job though. They've been pulling that tractor a long time. Yeah, but that's the one that Todd rolled up here a minute ago, I think. They had two of those, and they'd pull both of them back to back. $290 feet.
Got a right good pull going.
Going on with it. Camera cut off again, but that last tractor went 408 feet, and at the end of that right there, there's a big ass hill that drops off. So the tractor went off the end of the hill. Hell, the tractor went 408 feet.
Good pull for Anthony House is 336.08.
330.
336.08.
He gonna put it in granny.
He did that last year.
Yeah. He goes slow go. Slow go.
go.
I think he's done.
362.82.
362.
Enough to move him into second place.
That was the last tractor, I
Good
think.
pull. Yeah.
I don't know. He don't know what he's doing. He ain't figured it out yet. He's supposed to be going by now. They're like, you got to go that way. Everybody's 40. You got to go that way.
Oh, he really was. And he's a big horse. Getting along pretty good. I believe he's got the air conditioner on though. Looks like it.
Oh, chrome pipe, he's shining red from that light down there. We gotta stand up if Jordan's head's in the way. That's it for that one.
Billy Wise, 275.52.
275. Steve Mallory's 3688. Used to watch this one pull a lot. It's a good pulling tractor. But I ain't seen it in a number of years with his blacked out winders. It grunts.
Come on, man. Don't carry him on. You can have for the 100 go.
Howdy, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this pulling video. If you want to see better quality footage, go to WWPTV. It's the Orange County tractor pull. Then I'll put the description. I'll put the link in the description below. But this is the Headings Farm. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And keep on pushing that like button on these videos so that we can continue to grow. Catch y'all later.